As a forward-looking finance leader, you know that expense management automation is a necessary next step for growing your business. You also know that any solution your finance team selects must also work for your colleagues across the company. So, let's take a virtual stroll through the office to better understand how Concur Expense solves everyone's expense management challenges. Whether at their desk, on the road, or at home, your employees have a job to do. And chances are that job isn't searching for lost receipts and spending hours each month struggling to fill out paper forms and spreadsheets. But expense reports that practically write themselves? Now that's something every employee will look forward to. With Concur Expense, an employee can simply snap a photo of their receipt. Our proprietary OCR, AI, and machine learning technologies then analyze, validate, and auto-populate the details right into an expense claim. Even mileage can be tracked right within the app. Your employees simply review, finalize, and submit their report, either while on the go or on their computer using the intuitive employee dashboard. Done and done in a matter of minutes, all without having to second-guess whether their expenses are compliant with company policy. Best of all, our users report a 43% reduction in lost receipts thanks to the SAP Concur mobile app. So, what about an employee's manager? Well, it's easy to understand why they'll love Concur Expense too. The moment an employee hits submit, their manager will be notified that the expense report is ready for review. The manager will be able to see the details of each claim, including the receipt photo, and whether any line items require closer review. The report can then be approved with the tap of a button. Taking it a step further, your managers will also have access to a manager-level dashboard where they can see all of their team's expense reports, approval status, and spending analytics. The result? 32% less time to approve expenses after automating, and a 26% reduction in budget overspending because of increased visibility into spending data. Now it's time to jump over to the IT department. What your IT leader will be excited to learn is that Concur Expense is part of a fully connected spend management platform, which includes a scalable ecosystem of value-added solution add-ons and service extensions. With SAP Concur Solutions, your IT team will be ready for today's challenges and tomorrow's changing requirements. In fact, while it seems the rest of the world has only just begun to talk about AI, we've been putting it to work for more than a decade, leveraging intelligent technologies to help guide and accelerate strategic finance decisions and ensure employees spend their day doing their best work, not busy work. As an SAP Concur customer, you'll also have access to more than 700 partners in the SAP Concur Partner Network, including best-in-class ERP, CRM, HR, and accounting solution providers, not to mention hundreds of today's top mobile apps, all made available in the SAP Concur App Center. Concur Expense also features flexible integration options, such as on-demand, secure FTP, web services, and pre-built connectors. Your IT leader can also rest easy knowing our solutions are continually audited for compliance with global security, privacy, and service management standards to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of customer data. Here's another role that will quickly become a fan of Concur Expense: your HR leader. In the new world of work, it's not enough for employees to love what they do. They need to love how and where they do it as well. Simply put, when you give your employees Concur Expense, you'll help boost productivity company-wide, strengthen employee satisfaction, and improve recruitment and retention efforts. Concur Expense will also be your HR team's go-to tool for analyzing policy compliance rates, employee spending trends, speed of reimbursements, and more, all with an eye to fostering a thriving company culture. And because it's built on artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, Concur Expense can help continuously improve both employee productivity and morale, all while delivering an "I can't believe how simple it is" experience. Finally, back in the finance department, it's even easier to see why Concur Expense is consistently ranked by the industry and our users as the world's leading brand for expense management. With its powerful cloud-based spend management capabilities, Concur Expense centralizes all spending data in one place, so your finance team can see and track the status of employee-initiated spending in near real time. Your team can dive deep into the details of each expense claim to check for accuracy and policy compliance. Expense reports can be quickly approved and seamlessly moved forward to payment, whether manually by company check or through direct integration with a payment partner. And here's something every finance leader will appreciate. Concur Expense comes with over 200 essential reports that give your finance team the intelligence and insights they need to drive more strategic value for your business. Not to mention saving them an average of 148 hours per week, and your company an estimated $54,000 each year. So there you have it. From employees and managers to IT, HR, and finance, Concur Expense is the connected expense management solution your entire company will love. Talk to us today to learn more.